Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with a video response and a project share for Tina Massey, who's Tina's Crafty Life here on YouTube, and she is doing a recipe card, I think it's an icy recipe card, and we had to send in 2 cards, and some money for shipping, and it had to be in her hands by November 10th. So I'm early because I'm trying to get things done so I can concentrate on the altered book that I am swapping with Jan's Crazy Life. So in her swap. So I wanted to come on and share what I created, and I probably won't post this until Tina gets it. So this is, oh gosh, a 4x6 IC card, and I added some I think this is foam stickers that my good friend Judy Evans Parker gave to me, and I just love this polar bear. I added some paper in the background that I've had forever, and I think it is from My Mind's Eye. I don't know what paper pad that it's from. It's an old pack, I believe. It's either My Mind's Eye or Making Memories. I'm not sure. But it's an old paper that I've had in my stash. I added some pom-pom trim on the end here, and if it's going in a box, it will fold up and it will fit. It's not causing any, it's not going to, what do you call it, cause any problems. That's all I'm saying. This is a sprig that I got from AC Moore, and I'm going to show you, if I can get it out of here, that I got on sale, and I just love how it has all those little tiny white balls and glitter and these red little hollies. I thought they were so pretty. So I cut them up and I glued them to the card. So it does have some dimension to the card. And my recipe is called Snowball Cookies. And I know there's another name for these cookies, but I always make them during the holidays because it reminds me of snowballs. So they're yummy, pop in your mouth type of cookie. I really love them, and this is my entry to Tina's Crafty Life's IC card recipe challenge. So I hope you like it, Tina. I really enjoyed making this. This was lots of fun. It got me in the mood for Christmas already, even though it's October. And yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.